Hi everyone, welcome to another Drive with Care video. Today I'm going to take you from the village of Kingsdown, put it on a map here, along the seafront road, along the Strand and to Deal Pier. Shouldn't take more than 10 minutes. So let's get going. Indicate to leave. So we're going to be looking at hazards, of course. Make sure that our awareness is honed, and at every opportunity we're going to let other road users know what we're doing. There's a car coming. He's turning right. There's nothing coming on my right, so I can leave. Pedestrians on my left. Hope they don't jump into the road. So we're entering into Kingsdown then, 20-mile-an-hour zone. Car behind me, so I'll let them know what I'm doing. So we're going to be looking out for vehicles coming out of their drives. It's quite a narrow lane, this one, so give way to this truck. You're welcome. Nice bit of courtesy there from the truck driver or pickup driver. So a nice quaint English, what would you call it, a fishing town. Cars on the right. I see some people, they're chatting. But be aware that, people can step out of their spaces between cars. Nothing, it's all clear ahead. Still traffic on my right. I'm keeping aware that there may be oncoming traffic. There is, but the car's turning right. He should just turn. There's not a lot of room to be hanging on here. Pedestrian and a car, so I'm going to stop. That was a strange little hazard, wasn't it? She couldn't pass him. Car coming out. Can't see me, so he's edging out. Cyclist coming up the road. Enough room for both of us, so I'll carry on. So sign on the road says slow. More cyclists, more pedestrians. All the things to look out for. This is a long straight road now. So again, just look out for hazards of cars coming out of drives. Oncoming vehicle. I'll slow down and let him slide into that gap. Didn't wave. That's a raspberry from me. There's a Land Rover ahead indicating that he wants to come out, so that's cool. Nice long straight coastal road now. I'm at 30 at the moment, so let's get up to 40 as the sign says. So really there shouldn't be anything now to be aware of other than pedestrians. I can't see that there are any.
2 very boring minutes later.
Hidden junction ahead. The car thermometer thing, temperature gauge, is saying 27 degrees out there. So we've got kind of a mini series of Z bends here. To my left is Walmer Castle. See the cannons. Previous home of Arthur Wellesley, aka the Duke of Wellington, and also Elizabeth, Queen Elizabeth, the Queen Mother, wife of George VI. Pedestrians on the left. Okay, it's my giveaway now. Cars are all on my side of the road. Potentially enough room for 2 vehicles. Now that I'm on the road, if any cars come along, potentially it'll be fine. So you're getting into an urban area now, built up. There's going to be lots of cars, so potentially lots of giveaway. Cars on the right, which means with this hidden bend, there could be something on my side of the road as I go round. I see some pedestrians. More hidden bends. But it's wide enough that we can get 2 cars through here. Guy getting in his car, a couple of pedestrians on my left. Oncoming traffic. We're going to squeeze through. Yeah, that works fine. Another car coming. Slowing down for me. I'm not really looking where he's going. Right, we've got a T-junction, pedestrian. I'll let the pedestrian cross because I can't really go through. She wasn't aware. I'm going to turn right here, but there's a lot of traffic and it may well be that they let me out anyway. We'll see. Indicate on, car behind me, so they need to know what I'm doing. Yeah, with doing these videos, I can't actually have, maybe should have a camera on either side of the window so you can see what I'm looking for, but nothing to my left, so I'm going to go out. It's a case of, is there enough space to exit the junction, and can I do it without causing an accident, because the traffic is so built up. Okay, so lots of parked cars left and right, so always be aware, people coming onto the road from the parked cars, you know, trying to cross the road. Got Pelican crossing ahead, orange lights, changed to green, so that's good, no one waiting. People on the right, yeah, stepping into the road. We've all done it, right? But you just have to be careful. Reduced to 15 miles an hour. But that's all good. So what's potentially going to happen here? People are going to appear from junctions or turn into junctions. I'd like to think that if they do turn in, they'll use their indicators. We shall see. So lots of pedestrians on the left. Car wanting to turn right. But it is my right of way, so I'm not going to give way. Another car coming from the left. Pedestrians. Lots of indicating. It's all very good. It lets me know what their intentions are, you see. It's not a guessing game when people are indicating. So I'm going to take the final right where the motorcyclists are going. There's a bus coming out. Looks like it's a giveaway for me, so the bus is carrying on. Pedestrians everywhere. I'm indicating, if only to let people know. I don't really need to indicate because I couldn't go left anyway. I don't know if that was wrong of me to just go in front of that taxi. I'm trying to set an example here, but I nipped in. Impatient. So, you know, learn from my mistakes as well, and don't do everything right, do I? So I want to go left at this junction, along the seafront to the pier. I'll indicate once the bus has gone so that the car behind me knows what I'm doing. If any pedestrians are around, they'll know what I'm doing. Not clear to my right, clear after this car. Yay, can you see Deal Pier? Wonderful. Lots of holiday makers out and about. We've got a roundabout ahead. I want to go right on this roundabout. It's not really a straight on, so I am going to indicate right. Because straight on is actually down there. Indicate off the roundabout. We like to indicate, don't we? Pelican Crossing, lights are green. That's the Deal Pier. So that basically concludes the little trip. But I'll stop the camera after the Royal Hotel, just so that we can keep aware of what's going on here. They're all waiting for me. Good. Pedestrians crossing the road. Narrow section of road here. I shall pull up after the Land Rover here. Single yellows. Indicate my intentions. And that's it. That was the drive from Kingsdown to Deal. Great, I'll see you in another video. Bye for now.